Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Today's experiment is a super fun one where we'll see how simple household items can create magical and mesmerizing creatures. Today we'll embark on an exciting journey and learn how to make bubble snakes using just a bottle and a sock. One of the main concepts at play here is called surface tension. To know more about this concept, please make sure to check out our explainer video that is linked up here in the description box below and in the end screen as well. When we blow into the bottle with the sock on top, the air creates pressure inside the bottle. As you release air, it passes through the sock, creating a stream of air bubbles. The soap in the bubble solution reduces the surface tension of water, allowing the bubbles to form very easily. You see, the airflow creates a continuous stream of bubbles, forming the snake's long curvy body dancing in the air. The joy of bubble snakes is not only in their creation, but also in the wonder and laughter they bring to children and adults. Join us next week on The Art of Science as we embark on more delightful adventures exploring the simple wonders that surround us.